Manipur Language Day State Level Celebration Committee today celebrated the 32nd Manipur Language Day at Iboyama Sumanglila Sanglan Palace Compound. President of Manipur Sahitya Parishad L. Joy Chandra, President of Cultural Forum Manipur Huirem Bihari, President of Naharol Sahitya Premi Samiti Naurabam Indramani, Lifetime President of Manipur State Sumanglila Council P.H. Guna Chandra Sarma, Chairman of Film Forum Manipur L. Surjakant Sarma, and President of Writers Union Syed Ahmad attended as main guests. Today's program was mainly organized commemorating the additions of Manipur language in the 8th scheduled convener of the celebration committee. Lehauthabam Sarat Chandra gave brief note on why the day has been celebrated. Speaking on the occasion, many speakers expressed about the present status of Manipur language and main objectives of celebrating the day in detail.